Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to DIY these linen coasters. I started by ironing the linen as I washed it. This fabric tends to shrink a bit. Next, I use a cardboard to make my templates. With my template, I traced 8 times this square shape, as I will make 4 coasters, leaving 1 centimeter all around. And I repeated the same on the batting, but you will need just 4. I drew on a paper some designs that I will add to my coasters. Then I cut them all and transferred the little designs to the steam A-seam paper. Roughly, I cut each piece and stick it to the wrong side of the fabric scraps. After I cut out the fabric on the trace line, peeled off the paper backing, placed it on the fabric, and ironed to fuse it permanently. I did the same with the rest of my little pieces. Also, I added some text that I outlined with a dark thread, and I did the same with the little caps to secure them. The links to the products I used will be in the description below. Then I cut off the extra fabric around the coasters and rounded the edges. I aligned and clipped a piece of fabric all around the coasters and stitched about 0.5 centimeters from the edge. I turned the fabric to the other side, folded the edge around 1 centimeter, clip and stitch all around. To finish, I ironed all my coasters. As always, thank you for watching and I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification to get notified when we upload a new video. Don't forget to leave a comment, like and share the video. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. Como siempre, gracias por vernos y espero que te haya gustado este video. Asegura de suscribirte a nuestro canal, presiona la campana de notificación para que no te pierdas ninguno de nuestros nuevos videos. No te olvides de dejar tu comentario, dale te gusta y comparte este video. También nos puedes encontrar en Facebook y en Instagram.